Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to be making drum roll. Nah, there's no drum roll. Fried rice! Chaofan. Well, we need 1 cup of rice. Okay, I think that is perfect. That is the of water. I prefer 1.5 because then the rice is not going to be very soggy or whatever. And half. Everybody should get a rice cooker. It makes life so much easier. And start. Wait for 15 minutes. While our rice is cooking, we are going to get our vegetables. And we have this. It can work as a murder weapon or a perfect pan for your rice. Story time! Today's recipe is inspired by my 5 long years in China. I moved to Shanghai when I was 19. I was a student, I was broke, and the cheapest thing you could find was fried rice. I had chaofan. That is what they call it. I chaofan like almost twice a week. By the way, it was my first meal fresh off the boat. Things did not go well, but I got used to it later because you can spice it up with like chicken, octopus, beef, and whatever kinds of protein. The rice is ready. Take it out of the rice. Well, as our rice is cooling down, we are going to start first of all, the higher. We need oil, whatever oil you want, vegetable, olive oil. Go with olive oil. To check if your oil is ready, put in your spoon. If it's not bubbling, you have to wait. If it starts bubbling, then put in for yourself. I love this thing because it's so big and then you can section all your ingredients or vegetables or stuff. Yes, I think our pan is ready. It's very hot. I can smell it from here. Put in your garlic, onions, stars. Be dramatic a little bit. I did it. Add in your bell peppers. Stir for like 2-3 minutes until your onions are golden brown. Not very golden, but they start getting the golden color. And then the magic ingredient, soy sauce. Ooh. The farther the better. Bananas of that bitch. Put in your rice. All of it. We don't waste food in this house. Thing again. Well, that sucked. But yeah, we're doing great. Reduce the heat a little bit when you put in your rice because you don't want your rice to burn. To like low. If your rice is not brown enough, add in the magic ingredient. More soy sauce. Not so much, but good amount. And then we are going to make a hole in the middle of the rice because that is where we're putting our eggs. put in your eggs, the lower, the better. I mean, the heat. And then give it like a minute to simmer. Some salt. Chinese don't use this really, but you know, it never hurt anybody. Mix. Make sure the egg is everywhere in this rice. And we are done. Voila! This is your chaofan. Chaofan.